अरे बाबा, अदर राइडर हु इज हियर. स्कूल, आप स्कूल ऐसे जाते हो? One way of replacing a cow. Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. It is 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm leaving Udaipur. Basically I'm on a search and explore mission. मैं काम की चीज़ें सारी पहले बता देता हूँ. The thing is I wanted to have थोड़ा सा challenge. It has been really long since I have been on the search and explore mission. So in that mission what do I do is I go online and then I look for the most boring place that people think is, and then I look for the exciting things there. So it's like अभी currently search and explore mission है, उसके अंदर मैंने सबसे पहले सिटी को चूज़ किया है सलुम्बर. So online I searched, I looked, I found few bare minimum basic things जो कि आपको हर सिटी में मिल ही जाएगी. But here is the catch. I'm going to look for something exciting which I consider exciting. So there are three things that I will be looking for. First is the trail. So it means I will be taking the diameter of, let's say, the radius of 10 kilometers. Yeah, so diameter of 20 kilometers. City center से 10 किलोमीटर के दायरे में I'm going to start my search and explore mission, and I'm going to look for the exciting trails जहाँ पे अपन मोटरसाइकिल को चला सकते हैं, व्यूज़ अच्छे हो, and worth visiting like that. Second will be looking for or hunting for monuments. वहाँ पे ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो कि आपको सिर्फ सलुम्बर में ही मिलेगी. So by the and the third thing is that I like is actually the highway. Basically you can see right in front of me. I love such highways because I don't know, I just like it, the feel of it. So yeah, that is going to be the motto of search and explore mission. So this is the separate playlist I'm going to be making in my YouTube channel, and वहाँ पे आपको like उस playlist के अंदर, of course ये वाला वीडियो मैं राजस्थान के सीरीज़ के अंदर ही ऐड करूँगा, but I will be adding it separately into a search and explore mission करके अलग से playlist बना के उसके अंदर डालूँगा. The purpose remains the same. I'm on my mission to explore India. Oh, another rider. Nice. I officially qualify this route to be my second favorite one. It has such lush green, and I mean यहाँ का aura बहुत ही अच्छा है. You feel like as if you are somewhere in the middle of a jungle, and then पास में पहाड़ है, there is a haze, and then the right amount of sunlight is like, wow. I'm loving this right now. So it seems like the road is cracked here, and Basanti can handle it, I'm sure. Thinking of socializing with the other rider who is here. Hi, आप लोग कहाँ पे? आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? स्कूल? आप स्कूल ऐसे जाते हो? क्या बात है, बच्चे खुश हो जाएंगे, बच्चे खुश हो जाएंगे। आप स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं? ओके, तो आपका यही मतलब जैसलमेर के आसपास है? ओके, मैं तो क्या सलूम्बर जा रहा हूँ अभी थोड़ा काम से, तो मैंने कहा वाह चलो। ओके बाय। So I guess I'm not the only teacher who is into riding. Passion remains a passion, huh? Just so you all know, this route is not a very safe route, because there have been some incidents reported of stopping vehicles and then stealing things from them. इस टाइप की चीज़ें यहाँ पे रोक के सामान लूट लेते हैं. Kind of things happen a lot. So if you're traveling on this route, I do not recommend traveling alone, or even though I'm traveling alone, but I'm ensuring that there is, like, you know, आगे कार है, पीछे कुछ ना कोई लोग हैं. तो अगर एकदम सुनसान है तो I'll recommend थोड़ा सा caution. Oh, nice bridge. See, this is the reason. What a beautiful route. The haze, the mountains, the trees, and the valley. Wow. Just the right thing, just the thing that I wanted right now. अरे बाबा, उल्टी साइड से आ रहे हो. What do they want? इतना क्या जल्दी में? ना, what a lovely trail. मुझे वहाँ एक ट्रेल दिखा है. But sadly not right now. But I'm going to go there someday. So I believe the purpose is getting solved. Starting the ride in the morning gives us the upper hand, जिसमें भीड़ कम होती है. Wow, lake. Oh, these trees. Ah, nice. That looks like the place where Dumbledore, जहाँ पे उसकी grave है. Wow, wow, wow. जैसलमेर छोड़ना है यार? एक जन तो आ जाएगा, दो तो नहीं आ पाएंगे. एक जन आना है, आ जाओ. दोनों साथ में जाओगे ऐसा? चलो, पीछे और आ रहे हैं लोग. हाय, नाइस राइड. I'm getting a very strong urge to stop somewhere here, have a cup of tea. Oh wow, there's a palace up there. I am almost halfway through. रास्ते में एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है to have a cup of tea. यहाँ के क्या वाइब बहुत अच्छी है, तो I decided to stay थोड़ा सा, like, for some time and take a break. I'll show you what am I seeing here. Just on and all यहाँ का vibe बहुत अच्छा है. And then I could see a lot of stores, a lot of stalls that are selling guavas. यहाँ पे अमरूद बिक रहा है. So I'm thinking to buy some for myself, or I'll eat it once I'll reach my destination. But हाल फिलहाल I'm thinking to get some. Sir, क्या प्राइस है?
ये सर 100 के 1.5 किलो.
100 के 1.5 किलो. आप 50 के पैक कर दोगे?
हाँ.
प्लीज़ दे दीजिए.
ये बेटा 50 के दे दो.
Well, yeah, they look quite good.
ये पाके दिन एक बंदा.
I got some. So it is not just for me, it is for people I'm going to meet on the way as well. Let's hope कि उनका कचूमर ना निकल जाए अंदर. Let's go. So it is 10:20 right now, and of course right now I can see the change in temperature. In the morning it was quite cold when I started my journey, and my dashboard says that right now it is 24 degrees, which is quite pleasant. घर पे भी अपन AC अगर चलाते हैं तो I think 22 or 20 is quite the ideal temperature that we keep in India. A little windy, which is causing that temperature to actually feel like it is a bit low. So as I'm entering Salumbar, I could see, I could feel it is getting dry. I cannot pinpoint it, maybe because I'm now seeing more dry trees, maybe because of that. Of course we are in Rajasthan, but you do not expect sand, है ना, वो specific जगह पे ही होती है. It's a very it's a kind of a myth कि राजस्थान में है तो हम सैंड में ही रहते हैं. It's nothing like that at all. It's just a specific area जहाँ पे होती है, and then the entire rest of the place is quite green. I think it is because of even we have lost the mountains. I think they are like far away now. Earlier they were quite up close. Alright, this is one way of replacing a cow. Oh god, nice. Guess what? I got the whole highway. Woo! Because I have reached here quite early, so what I'm doing right now is taking a little थोड़ा सा मैं circuit तो क्या बोलूँ, I'm taking a round of the area because I want to get a big picture of what this Salumbar city is about. Do we have treks? Because I can see mountains at the far distance, so of course I know that I have one place to explore, but on the other side this area is completely flat and it is all about farming. I will accept the fact that the outer area of Salumbar is quite green. काफी हरा भरा है. I'm sure we're going to find some trails around here. Alright, I guess I found it. There is a trail and I have to see where it goes, but not right now. My Reiki didn't end yet. So I'm facing a little problem in searching a hotel that has the parking. अब देखो यहाँ पे भी there is a hotel but there is no parking. So I finally got myself a room, and it is the biggest room of my entire, like मैंने आज तक जितना भी travel किया है उसमें ये वाला room सबसे बड़ा है. Now see. And this room costed me only 600 rupees. Probably it was because I took this room outside Salumbar. So yeah, if you are thinking that where did this come from, क्योंकि रास्ते भर में तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं और वीडियो के अंदर ऐसा कुछ लॉग भी नहीं है. So the thing is, when I was driving, at some point I was welcomed at a place जिसका of course मैं recording नहीं कर पाया वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे जो welcoming हुई उसके अंदर they put the tika on, which is a very customary thing here. And so hence now I have one tika. I tried removing it, but it is like quite permanent, and it won't come out, but I'm hoping that when I'll take the shower it will come out. And additionally, from this room, this is what you see. So it is, I feel like as if I am in a forest or something like that. So yeah, I'm quite liking this place. So I'm going to quickly take some shower, take some rest, and then I'm going to explore the nearby area. So if you've liked this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.